Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over another fantastic month of Scentbird. In this month I've got 3 fantastic fragrances I can't wait to try out. Based on the reviews, everything is going to be smelling fantastic, so can't wait to see exactly what I've got. My son is chilling in the studio with me today, so if you guys hear him in the background a little bit, pay no mind to him, he's just chilling. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. Let's open up the sleeve first off. Like I said, I got 3 fantastic fragrances this month, so let's go ahead and grab this first one. I'm not sure exactly what order we're going to be doing the fragrance test out, but let's go ahead and open up the first one and take a look at what we've got. First off, we have Calvin Klein CK1, and this one has been on the list multiple times, but I'm not really sure on how it's going to smell. Let's go ahead and take a look at the card and see exactly what we've got. This fragrance, Calvin Klein CK1. CK1 is naturally clean, pure, and contemporary fragrance with a refreshing new point of view. This light, relaxed scent is meant to be used lavishly. CK1 All Day Toilette can literally be splashed all over the body. It is intimate fragrance, one that you will need to be near to smell. So keep that near and dear. Spray, spray, spray away in order to keep it on you, long lasting. And if you need to, literally keep it on you. Keep it in your shirt pocket and then just spritz every now and again to just revitalize that fragrance and keep it going throughout the day. Since we got the CK1 out of the way, let's go ahead and slide CK1 right here, put it back in the tube, and move on to our second fragrance. Second fragrance, let's go ahead and pop the top on it. Set the tube over here for now, and this one is going to be the Versace Dylan Blue. This one is supposed to be very nice as well. Here's the card for it, and the bottle looks very cool, so if you guys do sample it and want to test it out for yourself and then get the actual bottle, you will be getting a cool blue looking bottle with the gold accents. Really nice bottle. Dylan Blue features crisp citrus, dark fig, aquatic accents against rebel violets, herbaceous patchouli, and bold black pepper. A sweet, smoky base of tonka, incense, and warm saffron anchors the complex fragrance. Bergamot, grapefruit, incense, violet leaf, and pepper as well. My son is definitely liking it. And for our third and final fragrance, we'll be going over the Veronique Goodbye Sur La Plage. Sur La Plage on the beach. The scent of bearskin under the sun, refreshed by the salty waters, caressed by the balmy air, enriched by orange blossoms, magnolia, and jasmine. This is the beach, an ode to sensuality, a dive into pure pleasure, divine alone, sinful with a lover. Orange blossom, magnolia, jasmine, tuberose, and pink pepper. So, sounds absolutely fantastic. Alright, now let's go ahead and do a smell check. There is the Veronique Goodbye right there, Sur La Plage. And this one is made in France, and it is an all-day parfum. Oh my goodness, absolutely fantastic. That burst of orange blossom and magnolia coming right out the gate. Really amazing fragrance, guys. I'll probably be doing a full-on review of this one as well as the other 2, so stick around for those. Well everyone, this is what I got in this month's Scentbird subscription. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing. I will leave a link down in the description below where you guys will get a free fragrance. If you sign up using my link, you will get a free fragrance after your first month is sent out. Your second one will be free, so that would be greatly appreciated, and I'm sure you guys would appreciate that as well. So like I said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.